Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. Today is on the it's on the 2nd of May. All right, 2nd of May. Yeah, today is on the 2nd of May, the second day of May 2024. Yesterday we did do an analysis. I'll go just back to it. We did an analysis yesterday, which went very well. Give me a second. Yep, there we go. All right. So yesterday we did this analysis. It was really awesome. For those who took it, congratulations, because you must be in massive profit today. All right. So we were looking, just a quick recap on this. We were looking for, the market was here at that time when we did this. We were looking for a break of this candle, like what this candle did. We were looking for a break above this line, and that's why we were picking the risky buys. As you can see, it's written risky buy. That's why we're taking the risky buy. The reason why we're calling them risky is because on the left, there was a lot of rejection. All right. So we are saying that they are going to be a bit hard for them to break above fluently. All right. So we waited for this candle. The candle broke. The next candle started, pushed down, retested the area, and then closed above. The closing point of this candle is above this closing point. So that was a good indication that the market, the next candle is going to continue to push up. And as you can see, if you took this risky buys, by risky buys, we're talking about if you're used to take a losses of 1, then you take a losses of 0.5, probably a half or a quarter. If you're used to take a loss size of 0.2, maybe you take 0.1. Like that. That's what we mean by risky buys. You just cut your usual risk, you cut it maybe into half or a quarter, whatever you feel comfortable with. Of course, it depends with your risk appetite and all that stuff, right? So the market broke above, the candle broke above, candle continued pushing up. So the risky buys were in profit all the way. And then we had now the place that we call the safe buys. So even if you didn't take the risk buys, you could have not missed taking the safe buys over here, because we were at a very nice break again, and the market went up, came back to retest, and then all of a sudden the market pushed up with this news that was yesterday. The ADP pushed the market all the way up. And as you can see, we are still in profit right now. So if you're still holding it, you're still in profit. If you've closed it, depends with, of course, your risk appetite, like we said, it depends with yourself, all right? So we need to know what next as the market is here. What next? Where is the market headed now? What next should we expect on this market, all right? So now to do that, we go to our Forex Factory and see the news that are there. We see that we don't have any news, USD news until 3:30. We'll be having the unemployment claims. Of course, the unemployment claims is going to push the market. It's going to have some reaction in the market. So that's going to be a high impact news at 3:30 happening. So that means from now till 3:30, we are working on fundamentals on gold. And we come back now. Now we need to start afresh on our analysis. We remove everything so that we can see what's next and what do we expect to move, all right? So remove all the drawing. What next do we expect? We go to monthly and we start now a very nice analysis like we always do. We pick on the highs, the resistance, monthly support over here, right? And then we will not forget to mark them around, right? All right, there we go. Monthly resistance. And here over here, monthly support. All right, monthly resistance, monthly support over there. We go down to weekly, we find the weekly support, which is there. These are not really changing as much. If you've gone through these analysis for the last couple of days, then you've realized that these ones, they're not really changing as much. So we have the weekly support over here. Weekly support, right? When we have the weekly support, then we go to the daily support. We look for the daily over here. Over here is the daily. And then we go to the H4. We see the H4 is giving us a new high over here. Over right there, new high. All right, so this is what we are narrowing down to see where the market is at the moment. Yeah. So we have this low and we have this low. All right. So we're getting some very good vibes over here for the market. So let's see. All right, so this is how the market is. Right now, as we, if you go to 30 minutes, let's see 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we are going to be talking about something like this over here. That's where we are. And of course, here, that's where we are. All right, so I would like to propose some cells below this point, below this wick over here. That would be a very nice cell. Okay. And also some buys probably just above this point, all right? So if we get a buy above this point, this will be the best buys that you can do over here, all right? So possible buys. Possible buys, possible sells. All right, so we have possible sells below this point, possible buys. Over here, of course, it's going to be some other buys. So this is something that we call the risky buys as well. So we're going to have risky buys, of course, as well as here. Yeah? Risky buys. Again, like yesterday. So this is how the market looks for us today. And this is what we're going to be watching to see what happens, right? Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more content like this. We'll be doing an NFP session this Friday. Tomorrow, NFP session will be live over here. We'll be doing live. I will share the link to all of you. We'll be doing it with Ingot Brokers Africa, all right? Live NFP session. You don't want to miss the NFP session, all right? Take care, guys, and have a good day.